Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about one of the most Googled topics on the planet, and that is how to make money online. I'll precisely talk about how to make money online in Canada. There are some strategies that I have tried and tested, and they can follow on to 2021 as well. Before I jump into the video, I want to give a shout out to AKG Canada Immigration Services. They are a professional licensed immigration firm, and they provide services for express entry, PNP, student visas, sponsorships, and a lot more. I'll put their contact information in the description box below. If you are someone who wants to immigrate to Canada and you have some concerns that you want someone professional to take on your case, they are one of the best people to do so. All right, so now we'll be getting into the video, and just a little notice here. I don't like to keep my videos very long, so I have quite a bit of a list here. I will talk about in a little bit of detail about everything, and all of the bigger details are mentioned on my blog. I have a separate post dedicated to this very topic, and if you are serious about signing up on any of this website, if you want to know more about them in much more detail, do check out the blog post. I have put a link for that too in the description box below. Okay, so let's begin. The first website I want to talk about is Upwork.com. I'm sure you must have heard about it from family, friends, or even colleagues. I have been on Upwork for more than 2 years now. I am inactive at the moment, but I have done some great work over there. They have paid me very good. They are one of the most legit, or one of the best legit freelancing platforms for you to start off if you have the skills, and if you are someone who wants to make a career out of freelancing, then Upwork is the best site to jump onto. The second one is peopleperhour.com. Now, Upwork is US based, but People Per Hour is UK based. They have the same structure as Upwork, but with minor differences. Their pay scale is a little different, and they mostly cater to UK clients. So, of course, all you need to do is have the skills that you promise that you do, and work really hard on your work, and it's going to pay off really, really well. The third one is lifepoints.com. Now, they are a survey website. If you're not into freelancing and you want to stay away from that part, you can jump into surveys, online surveys. I have checked, I think, throughout the years, some thousands of websites, and there are so many of those that I signed up for, but then I closed my accounts, or I never turned back because they were just too slow, or I would not qualify for most of the surveys, even though now I am in a different country. But still, I mean, most of those websites are just trash. So I only have 3 listed here that I am active on. I'm sorry, 2 of them I'm active on at the moment. 1 I am not. I'll tell you why. But all of those are legit and do pay money. Okay, so LifePoints is one of the best survey platforms to get onto. They pay you by cash and gift cards, but you will have to earn points. I mean, through every survey you take, you earn points, and then you can redeem those for cash. Okay, more details on my blog. The fourth is mobrock.com. This is a Canadian-based survey website. I think they also work in the USA, and they're actually fairly easy to work with. They send you a lot of surveys, and you qualify for most of them as well. Okay. The fifth one is Ipsos. Now, Ipsos I am not active on at all. I did use the website, I think, for over a year or 2 years, but the only problem with them is that they are very slow. They do send you surveys. Most of it, at least, I did not qualify for. But yes, I think I got myself paid out 2 times, maybe? 2 times or 1 time, I don't remember. But yes, I was paid out, and they are a legit website. So maybe, I mean, I didn't qualify for a lot of surveys, but maybe you might. So there's no harm in joining in, huh? The 6th one is Thomason.com. Now, Thomason.com is a social media platform kind of a thing for bloggers and for people who have a huge social media following, right? So you need to have them just to make sure. They accept members from many countries. It's not only about US and Canada, because when I was in the UAE, I got I got a free product from them to try, and was paid for that as well. They have a lot of ways through which you can earn money. You can either get free products or you can get paid for them. You can do unboxing, you can do blog posts or social shares for some huge companies, and they have very big budgets. But all you need to do is to have a social media following. Even though if you're not a blogger, I don't think that matters much. But if you can get them traffic, you can get good jobs here. Okay, number 7 is Intellifluence. Intellifluence is a new platform, I would say, because I was sent an invitation, I don't know, somehow last year, so I joined on them, but I didn't work on the website because it was just very new. I didn't think I would get enough opportunities. But yes, I just signed up for one project within the last month, and I got paid a few days back, and it was a very good amount. Last but not the least is getblog.com. For this, you will have to have a blog, and they have assignments for many kinds of bloggers, even all categories almost, but then they also have assignments for blogs that have a domain authority of 5 plus, 10 plus, 25, 30, and so on. So this is also a very good legit website if you want to get some your hands on a few good blogging projects from different companies. So this is good. This is a good place to start off as well. But of course, yes, you need to have a blog that is, I think, around an year old or so. And of course, if you're a newbie, then this might not be the perfect place for you. But you do have a blog, you have some good following, and a good domain authority, and this is definitely one of the best platforms to go to. Okay, so more details about everything will be on my blog. Check out the link in the description box, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the content. Please let me know in the comments below if you want to know more, and if you have tried any of these websites, how do they work out for you? Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon for more content ahead. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.